guys, I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm really excited to be sharing with you the third update in my rolling Project 10 pan. And this is the project that I'm focusing on for 2018. So there are already 3 other videos in this series. I will link those down in the description box. And basically for this project, I'm just focusing on 10 products at a time. I don't really have a goal of like ending this project at a certain time or ending it after a certain amount of pans. I just really want to be focusing on 10 products in my collection at any given time. And last update, I actually rolled in 3 products. So there's a lot of progress to share with you guys this update. But before I hop in, I just want to say a big thank you for all of your support on my previous video, my Why I Project Pan video. Not only was there a lot of support of people just like being excited that I've been on YouTube for a year, but also everyone seemed to really appreciate my honesty about my finances, and I think that that's something that we really need to discuss a little bit more here in the beauty community. I definitely think that it's something that's really important because the amount of responses that I got about that part of the video was huge. So yeah, I really appreciate all of your support on that video. I really appreciate you guys being a part of this panning journey with me. And it has been such a fun year for me, and I can't wait to keep doing this over the coming years. I just think that it's such a good part of my lifestyle now. But anyway, let's just hop into the progress of this project. Yeah, I have a lot to share with you, so let's just hop right in. I'm going to be starting off this video with another product that is empty. This is the Purely Pro Single Shadow in the shade Luxury, and I finished this guy up completely. I was using it through my brows over the past month. Now that my roots are coming through quite a lot, this seemed to really suit my brows. I did quite like it, and it was a bit more of a sheer pigmentation. So yeah, I really enjoyed using this one up. I'm happy to have it out of my collection, and it's actually the second eyeshadow pan that I've ever finished, and that's thanks to this project. The first one was my Stila Kitten, which I finished in my last update, and this is the second eyeshadow I've ever finished. And yeah, it feels really good. I feel like I'm accomplishing a lot with this project. I cannot say that word today. But yeah, I'm really happy that this guy is used up and out of my collection now. The next product I don't want to talk too much about because you guys can't actually see the progress, but I have been using this product basically every single time that I do my makeup. And this is the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Mascara. This is in the shade Nothing But a Brunette. I can definitely see that the spoolie is coming out a little bit more dry, but there's still a lot of product coming out. It's still depositing a lot of product on like the front of my brow, and I have been working on this, but I can't seem to get it used up. So yeah, still working on it, hoping to finish it in the coming months, but yeah, I'll just have to keep you guys posted on this one. This next product I feel like I'm making really great progress on, and I'm really excited about this one. This is the Marc Jacobs Blacquer Deluxe Size Eyeliner, and as you can see, there's barely any product here. You guys will see it better in close-up, but barely any product left on this one. I'll definitely be able to finish it up in the next couple months, so this will be an empty in the next update for sure, and I'm really excited about that so that I can move on to other eyeliners in my collection. There is some serious visible progress happening on the NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee, and I'm so happy about that. I have been rocking a glossy lip a lot this past month, and I've been really enjoying it, which is weird for me because I've never really been a lip gloss kind of person at all, but I have been really enjoying this formula. I've been wearing it over every single lipstick, whether it's a liquid lipstick or a bullet lipstick like I am wearing today. I actually have this just in the center of my lips just for a slightly more like plump look, and I really enjoy this so much. It's such a beautiful lip gloss formula, very comfortable, easy to apply because this color is fairly sheer and very natural. I can just like have it in my pocket, just pull it out and apply it without a mirror or anything like that, and I've been really enjoying it. I feel like there is no visual progress happening on this one, and I'm not going to complain about it because I really do enjoy this product. This is the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Lunch Money. And I don't think that you can see the pan expanded. You'll have to see in the before and after shots, but I feel like it's not moving at all, even though I'm using this every single day. But like I said, I do enjoy this product. It just gives such a beautiful, like natural sort of sheen on my complexion. And I'm really excited to use this in the summertime, like I've been saying in every single one of these updates. So not complaining, not rushing it whatsoever. I just love this product so much, and I definitely think that you get your money's worth out of these. Like, I've been using this consistently for the past 3 months, and I've had it in my collection for like nearly 2 years now, and it's still going strong. So yeah, a really great product, and it's like $6 US, so I absolutely can't complain. I'm loving the process of using this one, and yeah, I think it's just a really great excuse to get use out of something, but also to see how long something like this takes to get used up. I feel like I've been very positive all the way through this video so far, and now we're going to take a little bit of a turn. This next product I have been going back and forth on decluttering for the past month, and I ended up just deciding, yeah, it's time for sure for me to declutter it. This is the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade Sunlight, and ever since I repressed it, like I said in my last update, the texture's changed so much. This product goes on so patchy and so sheer, and I feel like I have to try to build it up so much, but it just still never gives me the one look that I want or like the nice performance that I want. So yeah, it's just time for me to get rid of it. I tried to scratch the surface with a spoolie and even with like a thicker brow brush, and I can't get it to perform nicely for me. I messed up when I repressed it. I must have put maybe too much alcohol in it or pressed it too firm or something. But yeah, I'm not pleased with the way that this is performing. I'd rather work on other bronzers that I enjoy more in my collection. I've been trying to use this as an eyeshadow, and it just isn't cutting it for that, and nor would I ever go through this using it as an eyeshadow, so yeah, it's just time to go. It's not worth holding on to for me. And the next product is something that I'm also just like not enjoying at all. It is the NARS Smooth Protect Primer. You guys know that I'm just not digging this one at all. This is something that I'm, one, kind of upset that I purchased right before NARS decided to no longer be cruelty free, but two, it just doesn't really do anything for me. So my progress has been pretty slow. I did have it in a previous project. I cannot say those words today. I did have it in a previous project, and you can see I made pretty good progress over the last few months, but basically since I started this project, I've done very consistent use, which is good. Hoping that maybe this means that it'll take maybe 2 more months to get used up at this rate. But yeah, my days at work are now like 9-hour days, and I'm just feeling like this doesn't even cut it to like help prolong my makeup. So I've been wearing it every single day, but it's just very sparingly. I'll just use it basically where my biggest pores are, and I don't even find that it fills in my pores nicely. So yeah, just getting it used up, and I'm not going to look back once it's done. I'm going to actually be really excited to find something else that's a better alternative to this one once it's done. And now we're going to get back into more positive products. This is the Sephora Colorful Contour in the shade Los Cabos. This was a carryover from a previous project as well, and I honestly thought that I might be able to finish it this month, but as you can see, there still is a lot of product in here, and I'm not complaining. I'm actually really enjoying using this product. I have it on just like the very farthest part of my cheekbones today, and I just think that it gives me a really nice contoured look without looking like gray or too stark or anything like that. And I can wear this as a bronzer as well. I can really warm up my complexion with this, and I've been really enjoying it. Ever since I repressed it, the formula is beautiful, which just goes to show like products react very differently when you repress them. But yeah, the formula on this is really beautiful. I'm enjoying this product so much more than I did in last year's project actually. And yeah, I think it will only be a couple months before I get it used up at the rate that I'm using it right now. But yeah, not complaining. I'm actually going to really enjoy it while I still have it in my collection. This will also just be a super quick update. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Stockholm. Beautiful shade. I have been wearing this so much, and I should have worn it today, but I've also been loving this lip color that I'm wearing today. I think I want to talk to you guys about it in a Loving Lately update if you want to see something like that. But anyway, this is a beautiful shade. It goes with every look, and I think this is such a flattering shade on me. I get so many compliments when I'm wearing this, and it pairs really nicely with the butter gloss as well. As you guys know, I did take out the stopper before my last update, so there really isn't a lot of product in here, but I just can't gauge how much is left in here. But enjoying the process again of using this one up, and happy that I put it into this project because this is such an old product in my collection. It has to get decluttered sooner than later. So I'm really happy that I'm just making a point of using it up, or using as much as I can before I have to toss it away. The formula hasn't changed. There is no difference in like the taste or the smell. and it's not making my lips react in any sort of way, but I just know that that time is coming, so I'm making the most out of it while I still have it. And the final product that I rolled in last time around is the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Koosh. This is a discontinued shade, but guys, this is an absolutely beautiful shadow. I love how much dimension there is to this, and yet how effortless it is. It is what I'm wearing on the inner portion of my eye today, and I just love the sheen that it gives. It really opens up the eyes without being anything too like in your face, and I have worn it a handful of times. I have expanded the pan this past month and will continue to do so. This is again one of those things that I just really want to make the most out of it while it's in my collection, as the Colourpop formula does not last forever, and it is a discontinued shade, so I just want to get a lot more use out of it and just enjoy it as being a part of my collection. It's such a beautiful, beautiful shadow. And yeah, I'm really happy that I rolled this into this project, because it just is something that I wasn't reaching for without putting it in the project, and I've worn it probably 6 or 8 times this past month, and I've enjoyed it every single time. So I'm very happy that I put it in this project. So I have finished one product and am decluttering another. I'm going to be rolling in 2 additional products. The first being a duplicate from my 17 and 2017 last year. It is the Makeup Forever Single Shadow in the shade M600, and I am wearing this on like the outer portion and in the crease of my eye today. And you guys know I wore this shade so much last year, and yet it took me from March to December to hit like this tiny, tiny amount of pan. So my goal is definitely not to finish this guy up, but just to keep using it while I have it in my collection, as Makeup Forever is not a cruelty-free brand, but it is a beautiful shade. It pairs so well with Koosh. It is like just, they're a match made in heaven, actually. They're just a beautiful color combo. But yeah, I don't foresee myself using too much of this product, but just enjoying it while it's still a part of my collection, and I want to see the pan expand in the coming months, that's for sure. And yeah, I'm really happy to be rolling this one in and hopefully making a lot of progress in the next few months. And the other product I'm going to be rolling in was actually from a previous project as well. This was from my project pan Bru-Nette, and it is the NYX Eyebrow Powder Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. You guys know that I worked on this for only a few months and I made a lot of progress, so I think that this will be nice and easy to get used up. I do like the formula of this one. It actually is what I'm wearing in my brows today, and I do really like the formula of this, but I do like the formula of a couple other eyebrow pencils a little bit more. Mostly I really want to get the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in place of this one, so I want to use it up and then I can justify purchasing a different eyebrow pencil. But I know that if I purchase that one, this one will just go untouched in my collection until that one's used up. So I'm just going to use this one up in the next few months. I think it will take me probably about like 3 months to get use out of this, or to get this totally finished up rather. But yeah, we'll just see, and I'm really excited to share with you guys the next update next month. So hopefully I'll have a lot more progress happening on all of these products. But for now, that's absolutely everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!